Hello everyone. Welcome to today's episode of the Daily Target series. Let's begin with today's target. I would be creating it using divs. I'm saying it in advance. So if in case you want a smaller or shorter method, I would advise you to just click on someone else's video. Not being rude, but I'm just feeling like I should do this with divs. So I'll make 5 divs. 3 for the circles and 2 for this rectangle and this semicircle. So C, then comes D, and at last E. Now first of all we'll give the property to the body, which is going to be background. This is the background. Let's paste it. Then I would be using this one today. I mean, mostly I just remove this wherever it is written div, but today we would be using it because we quite a lot need it in a different way. Like, I know all the divs will have the same color, so I can give it here. And also, we will give it position absolute. So first, let's begin with creating this circle. Let's switch on the difference. So first of all, A, comma B, comma C. Because 3 of them are supposed to be circles. So I'll first give it width, suppose 50. And also height, which is going to be 50. It seems to be a little bit bigger. Let's check it with a simple way. Like all we have to do is put it there. So top maybe 100. No, 100 is too much. 90, 50. I'll need to use left. Okay, so left 100. A little bit more. 120. Yeah. So it is bigger. So let's go with 40 and 40. Yeah, 40 is correct. So we can give now border radius, which is I would be giving 50% straight ahead. And as you can see, that circle is completely covered. If we switch off the difference, you can see it is placed there. Now we'll do the same for B and C. Let's give the top value there only. So cut, because top value is also going to be same. So paste it here. Then comes B, and B will have a left value of, if it was 120, maybe 200, slightly less, 180. I wrote one second. Yeah, 180 is correct. Then comes C, and it may be 220. No, it's going to be more than 220, maybe 250, 40. Yeah. So 3 of the circles have been done. Next comes that div. Now, as we know, both will have the same width here. So I am also giving their width together. So width is going to be maybe 200. I'll also need to give some height. So let's give it height 50 for now. Also, we'll need to put it on the position. So if it had a top of 50, it could be 100. 120. No, 120 is too much. 110. Also, the height is too much, so let's decrease it to 40. Yeah, 40 is correct. Now comes left. So the left will be 120. Yeah. We need to decrease the width. Maybe 180, 70, 60. So 160 is going to be the width. Now dot E, and it will have a height of maybe, okay, for now I'm giving 40 only, so that we can first place it at the correct location. So it's could be 200, no, 150, 60, 70, yeah, 170 is correct. Now comes left, it will have the same left, most probably 120. So what we can do is, further decreasing the character count, we will give D and E. This will decrease our character count, so it's beneficial. Now we need to increase the height, so 180. Oh, I meant 80. Now we have to create this curved surface, which I do not have much idea how it would work. So one thing we can do is that we make it a square. What I mean is, give it a value of 160. Change the top value, like just minus 80 from it, which gives us 90. Then we will give it a border radius of 50%. Like it is on point, but this circle is existing, so we'll give clip path, polygon, and now we can give 0, which means this is the 0, and we want half of the circle, so 50%. Next thing would be 0, and I had to write 0, and 100%. Next, 100% and 100%. And the last thing would be 100% and 50%. Okay, sorry, it has to come outside. So you can see it is exactly what we wanted it to be. Let me just manage the spaces a little bit. Okay, so we can also remove it from here. Yeah. So let's submit. Let's see what we get. 601.98. And what's the global statistics? 585.33 is the average score. So we are quite above it. And also the average characters are 649, and we are almost 100 characters less. Let's check how many in actual are we behind it. Although it is a good thing, but I think we should check once. Let me do some more little tweaks, which will make it even easier. So it won't take much time. Now comes DE, and So this is actually how long the code is, which is 413 characters. So our score is going to increase. 607.81. So thanks for watching the video. Hope to see you next one. Till then, bye.